Hi! Today I'm gonna show you how to make this cute round scrubby. I got this red heart scrubby yarn. For this video I'm gonna use just a regular cotton yarn because it's easier to see. I use crochet hook 3.25mm, tapestry needle, one marker, and scissors. Let's get started. First of all, make magic loop. Chain 3 to start and 11 double crochet. The first 3 chain you can count as 1 double crochet, so you make total of 12 double crochet. I made 10 double crochet including the first 3 chain, so I'm making 2 more double crochet. After 2 more double crochet, I'm gonna close the mid circle to finish the magic loop until you pull. Then whichever yarn moves, pull it back to close the circle like that. And to finish it, you pull the end tail again. After you close it completely, now you join the circle. You use slip stitch onto the third chain. I don't like end tail hanging, so I'm gonna use the tapestry needle to just clean that up. Second row, chain 3 to start, and basically 2 double crochet in same stitch go around. So first double crochet should be into the same stitch of chain 3, and total of 24 double crochet including first 3 chain. After you make total of 24 double crochet, you join the circle with slip stitch into the first chain, third stitch, 3 right there. Now, third row. Chain 3 to start, and you can count this chain 3 as one double crochet. In this row, you repeat one double crochet into first stitch and two double crochet into following stitch. I'm making two double crochet into second stitch. After this, you make one double crochet into third stitch and two double crochet into fourth stitch. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Make 36 double crochet total, including chain 3 at the very beginning. Now 2 more stitches left. 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet into last stitch. After this, you join them together with slip stitch into third chain on the first chain 3. This is end of the increasing row. Next, row 4. Make one chain and single crochet into each stitch. 36 of them total. Just make single crochet every stitch. And here comes marker. I put the marker into first stitch. Almost end. The last single crochet, and now you join knot together, take the marker out and slip stitch there. Now row 5, 3 chain to start. Decreasing row starts. In this row, 1 double crochet into each stitch 4 times, and 5th and 6th stitch you put them together. Now I have a 4 double crochet, 1 each, and try to make double crochet, pull through 2 loops and stop, and yarn over and go into 6th stitch and pull through 2 and pull through 3. You just make 2 double crochet together, and you repeat this until end. 1 double crochet into each space 4 times, and 5th and 6th you work them together. So now here comes 5, pull through 2 and stop right there and yarn over and go into 6th stitch and pull through 2 and 3 on the hook and pull through 3. Now you decrease 1 stitch again. Here comes joining part. Same method. Just slip stitch with the third chain. Next row, 3 chain to start. Decreasing row, 1, 2, 3 stitch, 1 double crochet each. 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet each stitch. Then 4th and 5th, you put them together. And you repeat until the end. This is the 1 double crochet, 2nd double crochet, and 3rd double crochet. Now 4th and 5th, you join them together. 4th, pull through 2, stop right there, and go next stitch and pull through 3. And at the end, you join them with slip stitch. After join them together, next row, 7th row is the last row. Chain 3 to start. You can count these chain 3 as 1 double crochet. In this row, you can decrease 1 stitch every other stitch. So now I'm decreasing right now. I'm going to 3rd stitch. Grab the yarn and pull through 2 and 3 loops on the hook and pull through 3. So every other, I'm making 1 double crochet into next stitch. And next 2, you put them together. So yarn over into next stitch, pull the yarn through and pull through 2 loops. Stop right there and go into next stitch and pull through 2 and pull through 3. You repeat until end. At the end, same method. You just join them together with slip stitch. I'm doing last decreasing. Now you use tapestry needle. Try to close the opening. Just go through each stitch. And pull it. Easy. And just finish. look a little bit different, but if you use scrubby yarn, it will look like that.